When my T3 went in for repairs, I picked up a Sony A6500 to play around with the video mode. This A6500, it's so popular, why not? What's the worst that could happen? Turned out it wasn't as I hoped at all. First problem, HDMI output in 4K. There's no info on the HDMI monitor when shooting 4K movies with a standard external monitor such as this one. Very annoying. So as an alternative, I'm trying this little selfie mirror setup for now, and I'll link to it below if you want to check it out for yourself. It definitely does the job for shooting myself at fairly close distance. Clearly, a monitor is way better when I'm not facing the camera, such as when I shoot products from a top-down view. Second, shooting this kind of video, it still has flicker from the screen here. If I shoot at the usual 180-degree rule, I really have to dial the shutter speed down to stop the flicker. Maybe it's not a Sony thing, but it doesn't happen to me with Fujifilm, Canon, or Panasonic to some degree. Hopefully somebody can shine some light on this problem for me in the comments below. Third, face tracking with a normal HDMI monitor in video mode doesn't seem to work at all when I want to shoot 4K. Very weird. I thought these Sonys were the tech monsters of the modern day camera world. Maybe with an external recorder style monitor you can, but still kind of weird. Again, this mirror device saved my day. Fourth, the movie button. And again, this might be a personal thing, but I really don't like the positioning of the movie button. I'm much more comfortable starting and stopping recording via a shutter button, purely because I have my grip set up before hitting record. Where the button is on this camera, as with others from Sony, it means I have to move my thumb after pressing it. Although I guess I could get used to resting my thumb there if I had to use this camera a lot. But for me, it's just not ideal. And finally, shooting with the app should be a lot easier. It was a nightmare to connect, and once connected, all I could do was stop and start, and no adjustments, nothing. I thought the Fujifilm app was lacking. Man, this is a whole different world. But clearly, apart from this, the A6500 is a very capable little camera. Don't get me wrong and start sending a lot of hate in the comments. Sony fans, if you're out there watching, I know you're a vocal lot, so let me know, am I missing something? You know, especially on the HDMI related stuff, is there a workaround for that you guys who clearly know the products even better than me? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe, and I'll be back in a few days to share more random geek and tech. And I'll probably use the A6500 to do so.